guys, this is how to get your dog really angry. So today I'm going to hit him with a pillow. In my next dog video, I'm going to wrap him up. In the second part of it, I'm going to wrap him up in a blanket. He doesn't like that at all. Okay, so Raven to the camera. As you've seen in my last video that I just made today, how to annoy your siblings. Now it's how to annoy your dog, but that's not the title anymore. Watch.
Oh shoot. Dude, you better get away from me, dog. Dang, he growling at you, though. Dang. Shoot, that dog better back up.
Okay. Raven, turn the camera.
Okay.
To me, okay, this is the second half of the video where I put the blanket on him. Okay, as you see me run into the closet to get a blanket. He knows what time it is. Alright, now watch. Raven, point the camera at me. Okay, watch. Now watch what I'm doing. Ah! Watch this.
Oh, shoot!
Get me out of He doesn't like
Slap him. Slap him. Hi, Chewy. Shoot! Get this dog!
Now, Raven, point it at me. Okay, it's the Raven when I start talking. You point it at me.
Oh, no! Jalen!
Okay, Raven, point it at me. Thank you guys for watching.